Welcome back to Sangkap Sarap TV. Today, we're making Filipino chicken Sotanghon soup, a warm, comforting noodle soup with tender chicken, fresh vegetables, and silky glass noodles in a fragrant, golden orange broth. Perfect for rainy days, family meals, or anytime you need a bowl of cozy goodness. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons annatto oil, atsuete oil. 2 medium onion, chopped. 6 cloves garlic, minced. 1 thumb ginger, thinly sliced, optional, adds depth. 2 pounds, 1 kilogram. Chicken, breast or thighs, cut into pieces or shredded. 6 to 8 cups water. 1 medium carrot, julienned. 2 cups cabbage, shredded. 7 ounces, 200 g, Sotanghon noodles, soaked in water for 15 minutes. 2 tablespoons fish sauce, patis, or to taste. Salt and pepper to taste. Chopped green onions, garnish. Procedure: in a large pot, heat the annatto oil. Sauté the garlic and onions until fragrant and soft. If using ginger, add it now. Add the chicken and sauté for a few minutes to brown slightly. Pour in the water. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat to a simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Add the carrots and cabbage. Add the soaked and drained Sotanghon noodles. Cook for 5 minutes until the noodles are translucent and vegetables are tender. Season with fish sauce, salt, and pepper. Ladle into bowls and top with chopped green onions. Serve hot, optionally with calamansi. And that's our chicken Sotanghon soup, a warm hug in a bowl. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Sangkap Sarap TV for more delicious Filipino dishes. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a recipe, and let us know in the comments how your Sotanghon turned out. Share this with friends and family who love comforting soups.